Now I'm going to show you how to install it, what type of major components, what type of modules we have used. Okay, so let's start. You can see here there's a total 4 modules we have installed. So the capacity of total power plant is 1 kilowatt peak. Off grid power plant 1 kilowatt peak means 1000 watt peak. So the whole wattage should be 1000 watt of this module total capacity. Okay, so I will show you the technical specifications of this module, so you'll understand what is the capacity, what is the open circuit voltage, what is the voltage at maximum peak, and what is the ISC and IMP. Okay, first of all we are going to discuss about types of module. Okay, this is a polycrystalline solar module. Polycrystalline solar modules, total 60 cells in the single module. Total 60 cells are connected in a series combination in a single module. Okay, this is called a single solar cell. This is called a single solar cell. Okay, and total cells are connected in series combination. All the cells are connected in series. And okay, so this is the main bus bar where we have connected 2 strings in a main bus bar. Okay, now it is bus bar, solar cell bus bar. Okay, and these are the very small lines. It is visible now. Okay, so it is called fingers, cell fingers. Okay, so all solar cells are connected in series. Total 60 solar cells are connected in a single module. Okay, now we are talking about this 1 kilowatt peak off grid power plant. So major components module. The next one is solar structure. It is called module mounting structure. So you can see this is the GI type of structure. This GI structure. Okay, so as per the design we have designed it. Okay, so it is GI structure. It is called back leg, front leg, rafter, purlin. Okay, these are the components of the structure. Now you can see here it is called end clamp. It is called end clamp because we have to mount module on this structure by using this end clamp. It is called Allen key. Okay, it is called Allen key, and it is called spring washer. So on the spring washer we have installed it. So total 4 modules we are connected. So I will show you the technical specifications of the module. This module is made in India. Okay, so now I think it is visible. Okay, so you can see here the total watt peak is 260 watt peak. Total rated voltage is 30.36 volt VMP. Rated current is 8.59 ampere. Open circuit voltage is 38.12, and short circuit current is 8.96. Total module weight is 18 kg, and total all the above specification on the STC condition, standard test condition. So it is nothing but radiation irradiance is 1000 watt per meter square, air mass is 1.5, and cell temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, now all modules are connected in parallel combination because of the design. We will discuss design in the next theory session. So I will understand why we connect all modules are connected in parallel.